your seatbelt fastened while the seatbelt sign is on, and remain seated as movement in the cabin must be limited. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. If you need to leave your seat, please keep the aisle clear to others to pass by. And take care if you're opening the overhead lockers in case anything falls out. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin, overfitted with smoking detectors. Smoking is not permitted on board at any time. This includes e-cigarettes. Please ensure that no more than 2 people are queuing at the toilets to avoid congestion. Following customer feedback, we are working to upgrade and improve our in-flight digital service Easyjet on board, so it's temporarily unavailable. You can view our full retail range by browsing the drink shop brochure in your seat pocket. Very shortly we'll join you in a cabin with our refreshments. We have your selection to eat and drink. Take a look what is in offer in the feedback menu or in your digital download. Choose from hand-picked range of hot and cold options.